This is Shop Talk with Buck. I am Buck, and welcome to my shop. Today we're gonna look at some of the holders I have. I've got a holder I'm gonna put a little finish on it, just dial it up a little bit. All right, what I want to do is I've got this little old, see the French cleat. It's part of my board on French cleat wall. But I have all these dividers, compasses, and stuff. It really works on the lathe. You can use it. So I use these for the dovetails. But what I was wanting to do is take these off, and I got these little nails where they hold on here. So what I'm thinking about doing is take this stain right here. I don't know how it's going to look as long as I change it. I just interested in changing it right now. It's weathered oak 270. So I don't know. I was going to give it a try and see if I couldn't get it to look different. I guess I could try a piece. Let's try a piece right quick. I've got an offcut. I believe it's real close to the same thing. We'll just put a little stain on it and we'll check it out before we go to looking at it. So I've been mixing on the thing. Got this hardboard laid down. I don't want it on my bench. So what we're going to do, we'll give this a try. I don't think this is very dark. Well, pretty light, actually. I'm going to get me a little rag right here. We'll try a little bit, and we'll just see what we got. I just want something different right there. I don't want it real dark, but this might be all right. I just want something a little different. What do you think? It's not a lot different, but it is a little different, and it'll help protect the wood too. I don't know about that one. It's really, well, let's flip it over and we'll try something else. I've got some stuff here. It is Golden Oak 210B, and this was weathered oak. That's not what I'm looking for right there. You know what I mean? I don't know if I need to. Yeah, I'm just going to put that right up. And we will try the other side. Let's see. Check this one out. I believe I'll have plenty of this. Looks a little different. Let's just check this little color out. I think this is what I'm looking for right here. What do you think? Yeah, I think that's going to work fine. So let me get, yeah, let's do that. Getting everything out here where I can see it. I opened up that room there because most of this stuff was in there, and I moved it out here. I think we're mixed up enough. I think that's gonna look good. But I just want it different, if you know what I mean. I just don't want it to hide. I want these to stand out. See, it just needs to have a little contrast right there. So that is what I am hunting for. And I think this is going to give it to me just fine. All right, we're going to let that sit on here a few minutes. Then what I may do, wind up wiping it off. We'll let it soak in there what it will. It's been on there for a few minutes, so what I want to do is just go ahead and wipe the excess off. And just, if you want it lighter, you know, you wipe it off sooner, and darker, you just wait as long as you can. But I think oh yeah, it's going to be fine. And while we was on break, waiting for this thing, I went around the edges and got them look a different color. Yeah. Yep, this is going to look good. I just wanted a contrast. And I think that's going to give it to me. Now, if one wants to and let that fully cure, then you can put some shellac or something like that on it, but it needs to fully cure. Okay, 4 hours. So once this thing cures after 4 hours, you can do a top coat. Yeah. So that's going to give me what I'm looking for. See the difference? These will stand out a little better. Just appealing and kind of protect my little wood too. So it's no big deal. It was something I needed to do, so I thought I'd cut in here and show y'all. We've had a little series of French cleat stuff. So like I say, most of this stuff was in there. I just moved it out here. So the only thing I built this. I don't even know if y'all see that. I'll show that I built that. And for the jigsaw, I have a video on that one. I sure building that, but everything else is in there. Let me look, make sure. Yep. So the only ones I built was this one and that one right there. Everything else, this was over there. Yeah. So, yeah, that's going to do me. I'm going to put the nails back in and hang this thing up. And we will take a look at it, and as time goes by, we'll just keep adding and adjusting and till we get it like we want it. But then again, the beauty part about French cleats is you can change readily easy. I'm going to bring it around that wall and that wall. But in there, I'm going to reconfigure it where it's like this, the same distances and whatever. That way, if I wanted to take this off and take it in there or have something in there, come back here, we can make it work. And that's the beauty part about it is you can mix and match and change. And as your workflow change, you can make everything else change. That's why I got everything I possibly could on wheels, because it comes in, you have a different workflow or a project dictates you changing things around. It's easy enough to do that. So one thing I'm figuring out to work is these things may be in a different spot, be wider, closer, but if you center it right here and put that on the end, it doesn't matter where this stuff is. And it'll lay in there just pretty as you please. This is what I had to do right here. Put it right here. That don't change. And at the very end, it don't change. But this can be anywhere it wants to be. In other words, if I needed to put this back up to store, but I have a setting, I can save it, because most of this stuff is for the lathe. So that's the reason why I did it that way. It's easy to take off. And the reason why I put the stain on it to change the color, you could have done it. It's more of a contrast look. To me, it makes it look better. If you don't want to make it pretty, well, why not? Just, of course, this stuff here, I'm going to redo this and catch my function. These are just boxes of stuff I had in there I brought out here, because this is where I use it. That's why I put up the French cleats. So I hope this video catches y'all well, and y'all be safe, and I'll catch you on next. Actually, settles in there, don't it? A good thing I need a practice run at this, because they're dividers and calipers and